Okay, part 10. So as we were discussing, if there's no recom widows, there is no jurisdiction. But if the parties participated in the trial, in the proceedings, there will be estoppel by there will be jurisdiction by estoppel. But it's because the jurisdiction is because of recom vidas. Now, what about if the law says that jurisdiction shall be vested in some other courts, like in the case of cooperatives? In cooperatives, the cooperative law says that jurisdiction is with the CDA, the Cooperative Development Authority. So there can be no estoppel in this, even if the parties participate in the proceedings. Now, in a cooperative, there are actually three kinds of individuals: the member, the employees, and the member who are also employees. Pag meron kasing cooperative, lahat membro. But sometimes, meron silang kailangang empleyado, kumukuha sila ng empleyado na hindi member. Pero most of the time, yung kinukuha nilang empleyado nila, yun na rin kanilang member. So kung member nag-file ng kaso sa cooperative, the CDA law says that the jurisdiction is with the uh, Cooperative Development Authority. So, ako si member, nag-file ako ng kaso against the cooperative, not with the CDA, but with the labor arbiter, and then I participated. Magkakaroon ba ng jurisdiction by estoppel? No. Because ang sinasabi ng cooperative law, ang jurisdiction niyan is sa CDA. So, dito mag-a-apply yung Gokong Way, that jurisdiction is vested by law, is acquired by law, is dictated by law, and the parties cannot agree that jurisdiction can be before the labor arbiter. Jurisdiction cannot be because the parties participated in the proceedings before the labor arbiter. Pag sinabi ng batas na ang jurisdiction ay sa CDA, yung jurisdiction sa CDA, and no amount of participation by the parties in the before the labor arbiter will vest jurisdiction to the labor arbiter by reason of estoppel. Ito yung sinasabi nating member. Now, what about sinabi nga natin na sa isang cooperative, meron rin namang empleyado. Kumuha sila ng secretary pero hindi member. Ano ang jurisdiction kung magpapile yung empleyadong yan, yung secretary yan, doon sa cooperative? Ang jurisdiction yan ay labor arbiter. Kasi ang cooperative law sinasabi na kung member against the cooperative CDA. Pero kung employee against a cooperative, the jurisdiction is before the labor arbiter. Ang issue dyan, kung what about kung yung empleyado is also a member. Kung ang empleyado is also a member, sino ang may jurisdiction? Meron tayong tinatawag na joint personality doctrine, and under in the joint personality doctrine, ang sinasabi noon, kung anong mas advantageous dun sa worker